Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Vellore Institute of Technology has started off the registration process for VITEEE 2020 from September 27, 2019. The application form, which is available in online and offline mode, has to be filled and submitted before the final date, which is February 29, 2019. Careers 360 presents the compiled steps to fill VITEEE 2020 application form to help candidates with the entire process. For the offline application form, candidates will have to visit the university campus and some centers designated. Candidates will have to fill a common application form for admission in VITEEE University for all 4 campuses at Vellore, Andhra Pradesh, Bhopal and Chennai. Admissions in the university is offered on the basis of scores secured in the entrance test. By following these steps, candidates will be able to fill and submit the form easily in one go without any hassle or confusion. Documents to keep ready before filling VITEEE 2020 application form. Candidates must keep the following documents along with them while filling the application form. Step 1. New user registration. Candidates will have to register by clicking on the New Applicant button as visible on the screen. After clicking it, candidates will reach the sign up page where they will have to fill the following details. Any requests pertaining to change of mobile number, email address and correspondence address will not be entertained by authorities under any circumstances. Step 2. Login for filling application form. After receiving the username and password, candidates will have to click on Registered Users and log in using these credentials. As soon as the candidates will submit them, they will reach the next page where they will have to fill the details in the application form. Step 3. Click on Application Form. Candidates will have to fill all the details as required in the application form of VITEEE 2020. Here, candidates will have to click on the application form to be able to move to the next page and fill all the details: personal, educational, fee payment, photograph and signature, uploading and downloading of the application. Step 4. Filling of personal details. After reaching on this page, candidates will have to fill in the following details. Step 6. Payment of fees. Here, candidates will have to pay the application fees via net banking, credit card or debit card. Candidates will have to: General category candidates have to pay Rs 1,150 as application fee. Step 7. Payment confirmation. The application fee amount to be paid will be visible on the screen. Candidates will have to click on Confirm button and pay the requisite amount. Step 8. Photo and signature upload. Candidates will have to upload their recent passport size color photograph and signature in the dimensions specified. Step 9. Photo and signature confirmation. Candidates will be able to see their photograph and signature as uploaded and proceed to click on Submit button if satisfied. In case of any issue, they can delete it and upload again. Step 10. Filled in application form download. After giving all the information, candidates will be able to download their filled-in application form. They can also choose to edit their application form and photo signature if they need to. Step 11. Payment acknowledgement. Candidates will be able to see the payment receipt as paid for the application. They need to keep a record of the same for future use. Important points to note.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.